Here we have it, the Centennial Edition 100 year. This is our limited edition MS500i. Now in the box with it, you can see another box. It's a little bit like Pass the Parcel. We have the usual manual. We have a very unique black bar scabbard. We're always orange, so this is pretty limited edition. And if I reach in here, slip that one out, we have, I'm all over the place, we have the limited edition 100 year guide bar. That's all a part of it. And also there's another box. Ooh, with some special display stand, I would say, by the looks of it. Got a really nice 100 year logo in the front of it. Let's have a look at that and how that works. But as I suspected, we have here our Centennial Edition special of the Hexa variety of saw chain. And therefore, of course, we have our Hexa file and file handle all included, and some little instructions about how it does sit on the display stand. That's all in there to save confusion. All right, the part that you're probably more interested in looking at is what's inside the box. Tools, but here we have her, the beautiful limited edition Centennial MS500i. Unique in its styling and colours. A lot of thought. It's not just all funny decals, it's proper embossed moulding with a little protective foil that you could pull off this shiny steel inlet on the back there. The covers, all the magnesium parts that would normally have painted in our traditional steel colours, a special sort of bead blasted type finish in the magnesium there, black filler caps, a very unique looking little bit of kit, and of course fully operational, does everything that you would expect. Looking beautiful with the 100 year guide bar and the saw chain